Hello, so we have a problem on the board. We want to find the derivative of exponential y equal to 3x power 4 plus 5x. Right, so we want to find the first derivative of this. Right, solution. So from this, if you have this, which is exponential y equal to 3x power 4 plus 5x, you take the lane of both sides. If you take the lane of both sides, you have lane exponential y equal to lane 3x power 4 plus 5x. Right? So lane will cancel exponential. Here we have y, that y is equal to lane 3x power 4 plus 5x. So from this now, you use chain rule. You differentiate using chain rule, whereby you call this your u and call this your y is equal to now lane u. You now differentiate u with respect to x and now differentiate y with respect to u, and you multiply them together. That's all. Now watch. From this you have that let u equal to the whole thing here, which is 3x power 4 plus 5x. Hence, differentiating this u with respect to x is equal to 12 power x power 3 plus 5, right? Then y is equal to lane u, right? Lane u. Now, if you differentiate y with respect to u, we have what? 1 over u. 1 over u. Then from the formula for chain rule, which is dy dx is equal to this du, dy du times du dx, which is equal to, what's our dy du? Our dy du is what? dy du is 1 over u times 12 power x, 12x power 3 or 12x cubed plus 5. Well, recall that u is what? U is this thing here. You now substitute this back into this because we believe in our answer in terms of x and not u. We substitute the value of u back as this variable here. Hence our dy dx is equal to 12x power 3 plus 5 over u, which is 3x power 4 plus 5x. As simple as that. This is your final answer.